The Dovetail Measurement Calculator determines the over-pins measurement for dovetail features in machined parts. Let's look at the inputs. First, select your units from the drop-down menu. You can choose Imperial, which uses inches and degrees, or Metric, which uses millimeters and degrees. For this demonstration, I'm using Imperial. Next, enter the dovetail angle in degrees. This is the included angle of your dovetail feature. Then input the width in inches, which is the measurement across the dovetail at the specified location. Finally, enter the pin diameter in inches, which is the diameter of the measurement pins you'll be using. Let me show you a worked example. I'll enter a dovetail angle of 60 degrees, a width of 2000 inches, and a pin diameter of 500 inches. After clicking Calculate Over Pins Measurement, the calculator returns an over pins measurement of 5000 inches. This is the distance you'll measure across the outside of the pins when they're properly seated in the dovetail. This measurement allows you to accurately inspect dovetail features using standard measuring tools and cylindrical pins. Find the link in the description below.